Howdy everybody, MTG Unveiled here with the Lord of the Rings Surprise Commander Deck Prize Support opening. Both Dave and Chris opted for me to open the packs for me to post for content. Very exciting. Hope I get you all the Surge Foils and 101 Rings, fellas. The other 4 packs. This video will be for Dave. Chris, you'll be next. Good luck, my friend. Let's go. Best of my knowledge, the 101 ring is still out there. There's been quite a few serialized and Surge Foils hit in the community so far. And lots of really good cards in this set. Alright. Beautiful island. That's cool. Sauron, Lord of the Rings, Mythic. Elrond, the Lord of Rivendell. Mount Doom. Borderless Foil Mythic. Not bad. 2 Mythics. Second pack. Good luck, Dave. Yeesh. Okay. This one has 1 ring, I think. Yeesh. Alright. Wow. Oh yeah. What was the token that you got? Let's look. You got a food and human soldier. Alright, second pack. That's crazy. I hadn't seen that before, but that's a massive saga. Must be a Tom Bombadil pack. Lotho, Corrupt Sheriff. Hugh the Entwood. Interesting. Grima, Saruman's Footman. Legolas, Counter of Kills. Aragorn, Company Leader. Whoops. Shire Sheriff. And a Mines of Moria. So you finished with two of the legendary lands. Borderless foils in your packs. Pretty good, pretty good. Alright, thank you everyone. Gonna wrap this one up. I'll post this up today. And I'm on to Chris's 2 packs next.